super fun. And I have this LOL ball that I'm going to be opening today. It's Series 3 LOL Surprise Confetti Pop. And it has 9 surprises inside, and there's 35 to collect. So let's get this open. So I'm going to start pulling it. Where's this? Okay, so the surprise, the thing is pumping in, pumping England. So I'm going to find next. Okay. So oh, and it looks like that. Wait, like this. So that. Oh, so I'm going to open the next layer. Alright. So these are the stickers. And you put it on the checklist. So this part's really confusing. This part is really confusing. So I have to look at the directions. And they're really hard, so it might take a while, but I'm gonna try. If I mess that up, then whatever. Okay, so the directions say, I don't know. Okay, I hope I'm not doing this wrong. So the first thing to do is to start here. And okay, I think you start at this one. I might be wrong. So I'm going to pull this little bag out. What's this? Okay, well that was a trick. There's like literally nothing in here. They probably forgot to put something there, but okay, so then close it and turn. If there's like literally nothing. Oh, that's the string. So you guys think that the string is like plastic, but in real life it's actually fabric. Because I thought it was plastic, but it's actually fabric. Ooh, I think I might have like a glittery, because look at these adorable, whoa, I don't want to pop it already. Look at these adorable little golden shoes. So here's the first one. It's so cute. If you guys know what this one is, then put it in the comments right now, because I don't know, and I'm really excited. So I'm going to close that, and I'm going, oh, did I close it? Yep, I did. Okay. Alright. Let's see what this one is. Okay, what's this? I think this is the outfit, so this might give it away. I should have looked up the... Okay, I'm really excited, guys. The outfit always gives it away, so I really hope that I get the one with the virtual reality. I think I got a rare. This isn't, this, I thought this was clothes, but this is a bottle. So, I should have asked for this for my birthday. My birthday already passed. Wait. Okay, I think I'm supposed to turn it. Oh no. Please don't say. Oh, I didn't close it properly. Let's see what this is. Okay, so this is the outfit, I think. The accessory, they didn't give me this. Whoa. I don't think I remember this on the thing. So she had these little shorts and these cute little shirts. This cute little golden shirt. I have no idea what that is. Oh, I know which one it is. Okay, I'm so happy. Did I open them all? Yep, I did. Alright, it's time to pull the string. Let's open it. And we're gonna pop. Ready? Oh man. The confetti is pink and yellow. So I kind of wish I got Dawn, but oh well. Okay, let's open this doll. And I'm going to show you guys her beautiful hair. Wait, I have no idea who this is. What? Who is she? What is this? What? They probably put the wrong doll in here because I don't know what. Who is this? Okay, I'm gonna look. My mom, she probably picked up the wrong doll, so I don't know. Because I wasn't. Did they add new to the collection? I think they added new people. I haven't watched any more videos. Oh, I got touchdown. She's in the athletic club, so I wish I got the Dawn. She's in the opposite club. They have two more in the athletic club that are on their way. One more in the lamb club that is on their way. She's not there yet. But I wish that I got this one with the virtual reality. But I got this one. Her name is Touchdown. So yeah, that's who I got. She's really cute. Here she is. I'm gonna get her dressed. So we're going to put her little shorts on. And she has some peanut on pants. This might take me a second. Alright. I want to see if she's... Okay, she's not up here. I wanted to check. She definitely does not go with Moonlight Pup because I was going to make a little series or something maybe of her and Moonlight Pup's her dog, and I was going to pick one of my Barbies as her mom. So here she is. She looks really cute. I'm going to put the shirt on. And, yeah. So here's her shirt. Then I'll put her sneakers on. I think these are sneakers. Yep, these are golden sneakers. They're really cute. She could be Confetti Pop Little Sisters. That would be cool. Alright. So, here she is. She looks so cute. I'm gonna get her bottle with her. Okay, so if we had where is she? I'm looking for her. She is Sprit. If we got her, then this collection would be finished. I wonder, wait, so she can either spit or do a mystery thing, which is, oh, hang on, phone's ringing.